Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, before we start, my call on Joyce to lead a prayer.
Let's all stand, please. Dear Father and Son, our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Okay, good morning again, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How was your day?
We're good.
Okay, great. So, before we start, let's have some sort of activity. This time, I want you guys to identify the following images that I'm going to show you. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
The first one, what is this?
Clock.
Clock. What? Prasang clock. Correct. Okay. Para makita na to ang oras. Next.
Ligid.
Wheel. Wheel. Prasang wheel.
Para mo na sa akin.
Okay, the next one.
Button.
Button. Asa to kasagaran makita ang button? Correct. Last.
Piso.
Coin. Oh, piso. 1 piso. Okay. So now, who can recall our lesson, last meeting? Okay, Tadia, please.
Our lesson last meeting is all about area of square.
Again, please stand.
Our lesson last meeting is all about area of square.
Correct. How about the formula of area of square? Who can share with us? Formula of area of square, yes.
Area is equal to a squared.
Correct. Okay, now. I bet you still want more fun, right?
Yes.
Okay. This time, I'm going to divide you into 2 teams. This side will be the team A, this side will be the team B. So, are you familiar with the game Bring Me?
Yes.
Okay, the instruction is you will bring the object that I will ask from you. Each group member can bring the object to me. So, I'll give you 1 minute to find the random object. Then every object you will get a 5 points, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Sige na, tapok mo.
object?
Tapok sa mga member.
Matubang.
1 minute hang. Time lang. First object. Bring me coin. Any amount. Coin.
No, piso lang.
Wala, sure.
Wala?
Wala.
Okay, another. Bring me a circular bracelet.
Yes.
Oh, correct. Circular bracelet. Team B. Another. Bring me a circular hair tie. Oh, correct. Another one. Bring me a water bottle cup or a cup of your tumbler, whatever.
Ang green ba? Ano to? Ano mo talaga dala to si Joy?
Oh, come on. Makita mo.
Pwede ka ne?
Tatlo
mo siya.
Wala na to.
Ay, wala na din ako.
Wala na.
Okay, team A. Last.
Yan, ako din siya.
Last one. Bring me a round hat or a cup.
Ano, Dad? Wala.
Okay. So, atong i-count ang mga object na inyo nahatag. Sa team A, duha. Duha ra ka object. Sa team B, duha ra pod. So, it's a tie. Tie ra. Kada grupo na ay 10 points.
Yes!
Di man. Wala may baon di ay.
Nawala. Nanay.
Okay, now. From the activity that we've done earlier, what do you think is our lesson for today? What do you think? Zaman. Zaman. Okay, go.
About circular.
Okay, pwede. Our lesson for today is about circles, specifically about area of circle. Okay? About the area of circle ang atong lesson for today. So before we start to our lesson, let's set some rules first. So when I'm discussing in front of you, what you're going to do?
Listen. Behave.
Okay. Second, how about when you're going to ask a question or
Raise your right hand.
okay, correct. So are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. Today, we're going to talk about the area of circle. How to find the area of circle. We're going to do this first by deriving the formula for the area of circle. Area is the amount of space inside. It's a measured square units. For the rectangle, we can just count the number of squares that fit on the inside. What about the area of a circle? If we place a circle on the grid, we can see that it's not quite as simple, right? Okay. There are many squares that do not fit completely inside the circle. This time, the area of a circle is almost always a decimal. It's hard to fit squares inside a round shape. We can't count the squares to find the area of circle. We need to use a formula instead, right?
Yes.
To find the area of circle, you need to use a formula. So what is the formula? The formula of area of circle the formula of area of circle. So, kabalo mo ba sa anak? Okay. Saan magbasa? Area equals pi.
5 times radius.
Correct. So, ang pi daw is equivalent to
3.14.
correct. 3.14. So, how do you use the formula to find the area of circle? First, we need to identify the
Radius.
okay. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle. To identify the radius, we need to plug it into the formula and then simplify. Take note, class. Exponents come before multiplication in the order of operation. So you need to square the radius first. Square sa ang radius, then multiply by
3.14.
yes, multiply by pi. Okay. For example, Okay, for example, sa man ay nasa A na number. Okay. So, unsa yung radius? Di ba ang radius is the zaman.
The distance within the center of the
Okay, so ang radius nato diri is 6.
6.
Na. The next thing we need to do is i-square sa nato ang
Ang
radius.
radius.
So, pila man ang square sa 6? 36. After nga ma-square na to ang radius, which is 36 na, i-multiply na to sa 5. So, ang pi,
3.14.
so i-try daw ninyo, multiply.
113.04.
Right. Okay. 130. Ang to?
0.04.
113.04 M. So, ana. Another example. Kasabot, gamay?
Yes.
Kasabot? Another example. Kani. Kailan man? 10. Kasi na-notice ninyo from diri sa first example sa second. Half siya kani. Okay. Remember, the radius is the distance from the center to the outside of halfway across the circle. The 10 marks diameter is not the radius. To find the radius, we need to
Divided by 2.
yes, take half of the 10. So what is the half? This
5.
5. So ang radius na dili is
5.
5. Sa sunod na ito buhaton, pag makita ang radius,
Squared.
so what is the square root of 5?
25.
Next, i-multiply na to sa 5. Sa 3.14,
78.5.
correct. I-take na ninyo ha. So, nag-gets ninyo dali nga part?
Yes.
Another example, same sa
B.
okay. Gusto ko volunteer mo answer sa third. Okay. Here you go. Okay, correct. Nakasabot. Nakasabot ba ang tanan?
Yes.
Take note ninyo. Again, what is the first step to find the area of circle?
Find the radius.
Correct. After we square the radius, what is the next step to find the area of circle?
Multiply it by itself.
Oh, correct. Multiply it by pi. Okay, now I want you to have 1/4 paper. You observe one.
1/4. Wow, gamay na. Yung 1/2 pa man eh. No.
Mabasa ha. Ang direction na.
Using 3.14 for pi, find the area of
3 items na. Go.
Mag-right o sir?
Okay, are you done?
yes.
Tapos wala? Manatanan? Sige, check na to na ha. Check na to. So, saan yung number? Saan yung A na to? Dili ha? Una nga.
Square.
R equals to 2. The radius na to is 2. So to find the area of circle, si button na
Multiply it by itself.
ato sang A squared. Squared na to. So ano sa squared sa 2?
4.
4. So, ang last is multiply na sa 5. So, ano sa answer? Sa answer ninyo?
12.56.
Inyo pod?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, sa number 2, number 3, I want you to answer. Ayun. Okay. Number 2, number 3. Be? Nga, ang same answer?
153.86.
86. Come on, same answer.
153.86.
Sorry ha?
Balihan
Check ninyo ha. 2 points each. Sige. Ang number 3. Answer? Ano yung answer?
28.25. Tama.
Correct. Mo yung answer?
Yes.
Correct.
Be, pass ang papel in front.
Pasa.
Basahan ako ang score ha. tanan.
Andre.
Okay. This time, by pair. Sa inyo, seatmate na lang para dali. By pair. Sulat ng ngalan. Hmm?
3 cm.
Hmm.
Pag ang baglit sa circle is half gid siya, di surface siya
Divided by 2.
divide by 2, di ba?
Kumana mo dira
Yes.
Sulat na yung ngalan dira Mana?
Yes.
So, siya na to. Number 1 is, what is the formula of the area of circle?
Area equals pi times radius.
Correct. So, number 2. Inside, mag-volunteer. Pair. Number 2. Come on. Okay. Hindi lang kung ano sila. 4 inyong answer, tanan?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Number 3.
Ako ay mo ang
Okay, ano sa yung answer? What is the answer?
31. 31.4.
Look nyo, dala nga side.
wrong.
Wrong? Number 4. Pareha mo answer number 3?
Yes.
Si Marco daw, si Marco.
Number 4. Marco?
Sige na lang, ang gagawin pa.
Ano sa yung answer sa number 4?
452.16.
Yes.
Ano nyo pod?
Number 3 din. Number 4.
Number 5. The day. Okay, isa yung answer. So, bad.
28.26.
Ano nyo?
28.26
Okay,
cm.
correct. Sakto yan. 100 mo?
Yes.
Itaw bang ang katapad?
Yes.
Okay, be, pass your paper. Okay, here's your math notebook. Na-check na lang ko inyong last assignment. Magkuha na ninyo kayo, mag-assignment na po. I-copy ninyo ni ha, assignment. Individual na ni ha, basta mag-by partner. Assignment.
Suwat.
Tara.
Yes, dagan.
Come na. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Area of?
Circle.
Okay, nakasabot?
Yes.
Okay. That's it for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.